Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are good and safe. Now, today we are going to learn new letters, names, and sounds. You have to repeat after me, okay? My name is F. My sound is F. F, 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 F. My name is F. My sound is F. F, 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 F. My name is G. My sound is G. G, 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 G. My name is G. My sound is G. G, 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 G. My name is H. My sound is H. H, 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 H. My name is H. My sound is H. H, H. My name is I. My sound is E. I, E, E, E. My name is I. My sound is E. I, E, E, E. My name is J. My sound is J. J, 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 J. My name is J. My sound is J. J, 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 J. My name is K. My sound is K. K, 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 K. My name is K. My sound is K. K, 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 K. My name is L. My sound is L. L, 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 L. My name is L. My sound is L. L, 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 L. My name is M. My sound is M. M, 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 M. My name is M. My sound is M. M, 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 M. Now it's the review time. My name is F. My sound is F. My name is G. My sound is G. My name is H. My sound is H. My name is I. My sound is E. My name is J. My sound is J. My name is K. My sound is K. My name is L. My sound is L. My name is M. My sound is M. Now this is your task. Write F to M in your notebook. Take care. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.